So I am trying to like figure out a way that I can do this like most anonymously because I don't want to put my private key in anywhere to transfer the domain. And I really don't want to have to move my funds off of my cold wallet to another wallet because that seems like it's going to require me to use a third party like application like Coinbase or something like that. And now that they're wanting like social security number and all this stuff, like it's just really no one's business to have my social security number tied to like where I'm sending like funds, in my opinion. Like I'm not treating it like a stock. I'm just treating it like a piece of property and sending it to a different wallet. So that should not require, when you go to the store and you buy something, you don't have to give them your social security number when you buy something. That's ridiculous. But honestly,
Like the proof of work system where you mine the coins and you can actually get rewarded in coins on your own computer, you can understand that code and you know that it's secure when you go in and check, then like that being able to check, the whole open source community being able to go in and check is like so much more important than like having something just be easy. When you have that convenience, you're losing your freedom.
And the whole thing of being decentralized, it's like we're trying to be open source and give people like freedom. Like Treasury prints money, we want to print money, right? Like we want to be able to mine our coins. If we do a proof of stake, that's really for people that have money, because if you need to put money in it before you can even mine it, what they call staking it, then like that's just really generating interest on like a savings account or something. That means you're loaning out the money to them to like mine, and that makes no sense to me when you could just like mine your own crypto, get rewarded whenever you solve a block like in the pool that you're in.
we should still be figuring out how to not use as much energy. So if you have a proof of work system where you're closer to the source of making the currency, you're actually generating it yourself, you're getting like rewarded, then like by mining, then like we should move to solar rigs and we can have solar rooftops. We need to change everything to be solar. It's going to help so much more, everything be off grid, then like everything's self-sustaining. And the whole thing about Cardano is it's not going to be self-sustaining just because it's like more efficient. You're still using the grid. So use this as an opportunity to move, say, hey, we really want to improve the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum networks. So we want to start getting everything on solar power and solar mining things. Especially the thing about it is like you really want to choose coins that are in languages that everyone understands.
So that we can all, as a community and society, check its security.
Like you have to look at everyone who's already graduated, already been to school, everyone in the workforce. What is the majority language that's being used today that people understand? And it's JavaScript, C++, like C-based languages, and Python. Like that's what people are using the most. All you have to do is look at like the repositories on like GitHub and stuff, and you can see like what's being used. That's what I'm looking at right now, and that's like kind of like the point that everything is like stuck at with like as far as like having like Web3 and having like all these like apps coming out, the SEC like, you know, negotiating with them or something, whatever's going on. I'm not sure what's going on completely. I'm just a user on the user end of it. I want to actually claim this domain with ETH. Back we are to accessing a wallet. Now they're only giving us Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect. Coinbase we already know it doesn't work. Wallet Connect, we don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna say Wallet Connect on my app store here.
Just see what pulls up, and I'm not seeing anything that's. Let me ask him how I use Wallet Connect, because Web3 isn't really how do I use Wallet Connect.
I'm gonna click on this Web3 though. Unable to detect wallet. So that means that Web3 is looking for a wallet in my browser. And since I don't have any type of extensions like MetaMask or something like that in my browser, because I don't believe in plugins and extensions to a browser that's on the internet as a safe means of storing cryptocurrency. If it's a whole browser that's built around crypto, like Opera or Brave, where they have a built-in wallet, that's a completely different story. But if you're saying like, oh, just download this browser plugin something, like, oh, it's totally gonna be safe, like it just doesn't make sense to me. So until that makes more sense, I'm just gonna try whatever are these alternatives. Wallet Connect. Scan your QR code with a Wallet Connect compatible wallet. I don't really know what that means, so let's see what he says. It will almost certain also not work at the moment. We are still working on some fixes for Mew and Wallet Connect. So he's saying that I can't do it yet. How long will it take? It's not working. It's just not working, you guys. It's not working. Let me try my Mew wallet again. Okay, so we entered the code. Now it says connect an Ethereum Web3 wallet to claim your domains. Do I want to use Web3? Do I want to use Wallet Connect? Do I want to use my Mew wallet? Do I want to use a Coinbase wallet? What I usually do is I use a Mew wallet when I generate things. I don't know why they have this, if it's because like I use the app and it's to help navigate me to finding my private key. I'm really interested in whatever this Web3 thing is, but I don't want to mess up the only wallet that I have in my Mew app because I don't have a clean computer to make another one on right now. So I'm just going to say, yeah, I am using that one. What do you want to do with
They're
it?
just saying people are having problems with Mew, so I can try to use my private key from the Mew app to add my wallets onto Coinbase, but they want
a recovery phrase on Coinbase of only 12 words, so it's actually not possible.
So I am going to think outside of the box here. I have a Moonlit wallet that I created. So I'm going to go say Moonlit and see if there's Ethereum on Moonlit. Because Unstoppable seems to work primarily in Ethereum.
Know like what I want to use and what I don't want to use and what feels secure and what doesn't. So that's what it is. This is my little video to just kind of give you an intro what's going on with Ethereum. I know people are really excited to use like all the other new and shiny coins that are coming out, and just, be mindful out there and be safe and make sure that you check everything out, research everything, and really think about the fundamentals.